I'm sure you've heard the news. Truth always finds a way to the surface, but why should it be our top priority? The ancient philosopher Aristotle once said, "You should not honor men more than truth." It's a powerful statement, isn't it? But what does it really mean for us today? In a world where opinions often overshadow facts, prioritizing truth can feel like a revolutionary act. It means seeking evidence before forming opinions, questioning authority when it conflicts with our values, and putting integrity above personal loyalties. Think about it. Wouldn't it be great if we valued honesty over popularity and wisdom over bias? When we put truth first, we build a foundation of trust and understanding. So the next time you face a tough decision, remember Aristotle's wisdom. Honor truth above all else, because in the end, truth isn't just a principle, it's the path to enlightenment.